I am. I always have a deer in headlights look whenever I go live. Like I can't control when I actually decide to go live. I always look really confused and shocked and stunned. So don't mind me. I am just having fun. Is what I'm trying to do. This is funny. It's weird. Been a kind of a long day. I'm kind of tired. Um, So we are live. Let me know if you can hear me. Let me know if you can see me as always. Okay, so it looks like my microphone is connected. If you can hear me, if you can see me, comment yes or hi or something. Let me know that you can hear me. Let me know that you can see me because I want to make sure that there are no audible or audio issues. So we'll just wait a couple minutes. My ear itches. If you can hear me, if you can see me, and I always forget that there's a delay. So like I'm looking to make sure people are commenting, but there's always like a 5 or 10 second delay between what I say and what. Okay, so Sarah says yes, great. Um, great. So what we're gonna do today, guys, comment where you're from. Comment if you have questions. All good, PM. That's good to hear. Comment if you have questions. Comment what you would like to know. Um, because I want to make this all about you. These live streams are much better when I've got audience engagement and I'm not talking at you. I'm actually answering questions. Everett, Washington, where is that? So, are you excited about the national title game, or do you not care at all, Sarah? Sarah's team is in the national title game coming up on Monday. If she's a Husky, um, if she's not, then it's irrelevant. But yes, okay, great. And so the cool thing, Sarah, is you could take that excitement and you could monetize it, which is really cool. And so we're going to talk about that. There are so many different ways. Yes, from the UK, I can hear you. Great. CNC Music Factory, music productions. There's so many opportunities out there. Do you still need a CC for your membership? Yes. Load 300. Um, there's so many opportunities out there. And one of the ways that you can find a niche, very simple and very easy, is just to take a look at things that are happening around you. What is happening right now? What has happened in the last week that you could potentially talk about and monetize? Think about that for a second. Hey, thanks for the likes for coming in, Heather. Appreciate it. So, like Sarah is a fan of the Washington Huskies. If you don't know anything about college football down under in Australia, awesome. Thank you for checking in. Is it early in the morning there? Anyway, um, she there's college football playoff. The national championship is on Monday. It's the first time that Washington is going to compete for this. I tried a year ago, can't get in. Could you make a PayPal exception? No, PayPal is a problem. It's really annoying to do PayPal. I was using PayPal before, but it's just really annoying to do. But right now, there's a lot of excitement in Washington State, and there's a lot of excitement for Michigan. And so you could literally take that new information, that excitement, and monetize it. People are going to be looking up and asking all sorts of questions about college football. People that have not ever really expressed interest in college football are now going to have this interest and they're going to be asking questions. Think about the questions that they might be asking. They're going to be asking questions like the last time Washington won a national championship. When's the last time Michigan won a national championship? All basic things. And one of the best ways to find a niche is to simply just look at what's happening around you, things that are trending. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually show you a website that has all sorts of trending stuff. It is trends.google.com. I've talked about it before, but if we look at this, and another thing that's really cool, and I made a video about this a couple days ago, women's basketball. Women's basketball, the Caitlin Clark out in Iowa, women's basketball is now taking the world by storm, and that's all stuff that you could create content about. But if we look at this, we're going to look at Explore. We're going to look at explore, and then we're going to look at trending. These are topics that people are looking up. These are topics that people find interesting, and you can create content around these things. Okay, but how do you make money with it? That's a great question. If you have a group of people that are now interested in Washington Huskies, how would you monetize that? The first thing that you could do, the Fanatics has an affiliate program, and one of the categories within the Fanatics affiliate program, which you can see here, is the college, NCAA. And if we look under NCAA, Austin, how often are you going to do live chats this year? My goal is every single day. And I was very close to not doing it today. So, but if we look at fanatics.com and we look at this, Washington Huskies, boom, Sugar Bowl champs 2024. People are going to be buying this apparel worldwide. You create content about that. Another thing that you can do is, where is the national title game going to be held this year? Wherever it's being held, people are going to, from all over the world, are going to descend on this place. Thank you. That's wonderful. You're welcome. Let's see. Where is the national championship game? The national, why didn't I finish? National championship game. The national championship game, I believe, is in Houston, Texas. So if you've never been to Houston, Texas before, what types of questions are you going to be asking? What are you going to be saying? What are the best places to eat? What are some attractions? What are the best hotels? What should I do on Friday night? What's the best barbecue? Thanks for the likes that are coming in. What are the best barbecue spots in Houston? And you, the smart marketer, can create a list of the 5 best places to eat in Houston before the national championship game. Create that content, and then you could be an affiliate for like booking.com or a travel affiliate program. Also, some companies like StubHub have an affiliate program. StubHub has an affiliate program. So if people wanted to find secondhand seats or tickets, they could go to a website like StubHub. Is this making sense? So the first way to find a niche, an easy way to find a niche, is to literally take a look at what's going on around you. You can do that with the NFL, the NBA, the NHL. Connor Bedard, I think I said his name correctly. He is brand new to the Chicago Blackhawks. He's supposed to be the best player since Wayne Gretzky. Do you think people are going to want to know more about him? Of course. So that's the first way. Simple. Let me just go back over to Google Trends. You can see, look at Google Trends. All sorts of stuff people are looking up. You can then turn this into ideas, and you can actually turn this into, actually what's really interesting right here, this Lululemon founder, he was in the news. So you can create content about stuff that's newsworthy. You can make a video about why the founder of Lululemon is right. I could make a very compelling argument saying that what he said, he's right. Not everything is for everyone. That's basically what he said. And if you make content, where would I post this content? You can post the content on TikTok, on YouTube, anywhere where people are hanging out and those people are interested in college football. So if we go over to TikTok right now, and we look up NCAA National Championship 2024, are people interested in this? 22,000 views. This is actually really funny. Or this wasn't the thing, but you can see lots of views. People are looking up and talking about the national championship. Are they interested in this information on YouTube? Are they interested in this information on Instagram? Yes, they're interested in this stuff everywhere. So you have to decide where you feel comfortable enough to create content. Some people will say, well, I don't want to be on camera. Well, then go where you don't have to be on camera. Or get courage and show up on camera. You got two options, really. So getting back to what I was saying. So we can look at daily search trends. We can look at real-time search trends. Michigan women's basketball, Iowa Hawkeyes, Boston Bruins. There was a tsunami apparently off the coast of California. What do you think the people that are affected by the tsunami, what do you think they're looking up? What do you think they're talking about? They're looking at emergency preparedness, how to survive a tsunami. They might be looking up generators, portable generators. Go Iowa Hawkeyes. Oh, yeah, that's right. Heather is from Iowa. So they might be looking up portable generators, gas-powered generators. So you create content to help solve a problem. What are the best portable generators? Where to buy generators? What size generator do I need for my house? So looking at Explore trending now. So that's the first area, is things that are happening. And you could go over to Twitter and do the same thing. Look at the Explore page on Twitter and see what people are talking about over there. The second place you can go is look at your hobbies. What are some things that you do all day? What are some things that you do on your off time? Really, really important. What are things that you naturally enjoy talking about? For me, I like to play basketball when my feet aren't hurting. And so I could talk about basketball. I could talk about football. I could talk about helping my 5-year-old play basketball. And if you can help your 5-year-old play basketball, chances are you could probably help millions of other 5-year-olds or their parents learn a skill. And I tell this story all the time. My son is interested in soccer. I had zero interest in soccer growing up. And so if I want to help him get better and develop soccer skills, I'm going to go on the internet and look up best soccer skills for 8-year-olds. And I have a few blogging sites. Okay, great. Bruce Wayne. Soccer skills for 8-year-olds. And I guarantee you, if we look that up, we go over to YouTube, like this, YouTube, and I type in soccer drills for, look at this, for kids, for 5-year-olds, for 10-year-olds, for 8-year-olds. $291,000 views. 10 best U8 soccer drills. After finding a good niche and product for affiliate program, where do we post the item to get sales? So I think you're a little ahead of yourself, Sarah. So once you find your niche or the thing that you want to talk about, the next step is to find a bunch of affiliate programs. Find between 5 and 10 affiliate programs. The reason being is you want to maximize the amount of money that you can make per customer, right? And so once you have those affiliate programs, you're going to figure out the questions that people are asking. So again, I'm asking soccer drills for 8-year-olds because I want my son, I want to help develop him and get him better with soccer. And so you're simply going to figure out the questions that people are asking, and you're going to create content. Now, before we get, and even there, we're ahead of ourselves just a little bit. What we want to do next is we want to figure out where we're going to create content. Now, the where we're going to create content is really important because the way people ask questions are vastly different. For example, here on YouTube, people are using YouTube as a search engine. And so they're asking questions, soccer drills for 8-year-olds. What are the best soccer drills for 8-year-olds? On TikTok, you are going to create content that is more discovery based. So you might create a video where you say, if your son or daughter isn't doing these 3 drills, you might as well get ready to pay for college, something like that. And then you still, the rest of the information is essentially still the same. You're still going to give out those soccer drills, but the way that you attract and talk to your target audience is going to be different. So things like TikTok is a discovery type of app. YouTube Shorts is a discovery type of app. Instagram Reels is kind of a discovery app. However, Pinterest is a search engine. YouTube is a search engine. Blogging is a search engine. And so what you'll want to do is identify where you want to create content. Once you identify where you want to create content, then you want to become an expert in creating content in the way that attracts people based on the platform. So once you identify that information, on YouTube, we say, soccer drills for 8-year-olds. On TikTok, we create content that gets people to hang around longer than 3 seconds. Does that answer your question, Sarah? That should answer your question. Anyway, so yeah, hobbies, things that are going on in your family. Another thing you can do is you can take a look at your work responsibilities. Now, this is my LinkedIn profile from back in the day. Hey, I'm live on LinkedIn. Awesome. So as you can see here, I uploaded a video today talking about how I made 84K per year with 2 certifications. Some guy comments and says, how come you didn't show proof? I was supposed to show proof that I got the certifications. And you can see there right on my LinkedIn profile. Anyway, what you can do is take a look at your job functions, your job responsibilities, and see if you can connect them to problems that people are having. I used to be a software developer, and these are some of my skills: Java, JavaScript, C++, C, Python, HTML, CSS, Node.js, SQL, and PHP. Before that, I worked in higher education, and my skills in higher education were I worked in nonprofit organization, career development, Microsoft Word coaching, and conflict resolution. I was an adjunct instructor. So what can I do? How can I link those skills to problems that people are having? And then how can I monetize that? When I worked as a software developer, there are lots of people that want to learn how to code. Coding is a big industry. There are lots of people that want to learn how to get certified in Amazon Web Services. So what I could do is I could create content preparing people for the different certifications, and then I could monetize it with a course that's out there. Maybe there's quizzes that are out there. I could even create my own course. But to me, that's just incorporating what I did offline, online. What I tell people all the time: whatever you do offline, just take it online. Because when you're working offline, you're working 1-to-1 or 1-to-20. When you're working online, you are working 1 to literally millions. It's possible to work millions of people. And that's why I create so much content, so that I can be in front of a bunch of people. I think I've had over like 6 million views on my YouTube videos alone. So me, one person, is working. Thanks for the like. I appreciate it. So one person, me, I'm working 1 to literally 6 million. Now, obviously, some people have watched multiple videos, but you get the idea. 1 to 6 million. And there's 8 billion people in the world. So I haven't even scratched the surface of the number of people I can help. Guys, let me know if what I'm telling you right now makes sense. Take whatever you do offline, figure out how you can do it online. You'll be much more efficient. Anyway, like I said, when I was a software developer, I was certified. Actually, there's a bunch of skills that I have. MongoDB, I've actually forgot that I had all of these different skills. MongoDB, Express, React, Node, AWS, DynamoDB, all of these are different skills that I attained. I can then turn around and create content regarding those skills. There are things like I've forgotten so much about this because I haven't used it in so long, but I could talk about how to get started with Node.js because there are people behind me that don't know how to do that thing. Thanks for the likes that are coming in. And then I can add a call to action. Hey, if you are looking to get your AWS certification and increase your earning potential, here is my #1 recommended platform to learn AWS step by step. Now, let's see if we can go out and find a course. Let's say like AWS certification courses. Now, I know that Udemy or Udemy has them, and they have an affiliate program. We could look at maybe Cloud Academy. Let's see if Cloud Academy has an affiliate program. Let's see if Cloud Academy, why is it telling me to download something? That's not so good. Yeah. We're just going to go ahead and delete that. All right, so Cloud Academy, no good. But like I said, Udemy or Udemy, they have a course. They have an affiliate program. So I could link those two. They're not going to pay a whole lot, but they have a course. Let's see if we can find another one. AWS training. This is by Amazon Web Services, so that wouldn't be right. Coursera, I think they have an affiliate program. Pluralsight, maybe they have an affiliate program. Worst case scenario, you make your own. Any questions? Let me know if you guys have any questions. Let me know if this is making sense or if I'm flying too high in the sky. WizLabs. So what I think everyone should do is take a hard look at what you're doing already and see if you can just take that information onto the internet. All right, so Pluralsight. Let's see if they have an affiliate program. Affiliate partners. So Pluralsight has an affiliate program. We're on a mission to advance the world's tech workforce and all the skills, help others, be an affiliate. So just that quick, I could create content about Amazon Web Services, and then I could recommend a company like Pluralsight. I would, of course, join their affiliate program. And whenever someone says, yeah, I want to take that certification, I'm going to try Pluralsight, they click on my affiliate link and they join the course, I make money. I had a few certifications for CAD. I like talking about science and education. I could talk all day about it. I'm not sure how to make it profitable. I don't know where to start. What is CAD? Just so that we're on the same page. So yeah, Pluralsight has an affiliate program. Let me reopen this. Reopen close tab. Pluralsight. Okay, so let's see. Does WizLabs have an affiliate program? And to find an affiliate program, you just scroll all the way down to the bottom of the screen and you look for affiliate. Like WizLabs has become an affiliate. Computer aided design. Okay. If people are needing that thing in order to make more money, there's money to be made in it. So WizLabs has an affiliate program. They say high commission rates. You can earn up to 30% affiliate commission on every sale of our training courses. So just this quick, teaching people what I've learned about these certifications. Let's see what the pricing is. $13 per month, $15 per month, $19.29. So maybe, hopefully, it's reoccurring. So I could make 30%. I could make $10 per month reoccurring. Is this making sense, guys? Let me know if this is making sense. So we know WizLabs has an affiliate program. We know Pluralsight has an affiliate program. Let's try Cloud Academy. Again, I just scroll all the way down to the bottom of the screen, and I'm looking for affiliate, become an affiliate, or partner with us, something like that. And I don't know that they have it. So I'm just going to search affiliates. Okay, they probably don't have it. Another thing I can do is I can search AWS courses affiliate programs. And then we could potentially find some. Potentially. Okay. But CAD. Now I'm going to show you guys how I could start a business in computer aided design, even though I know nothing about it, how I could find opportunities to be successful. And I know that this works because I've taken the same approach to multiple niches and I've been able to make money in multiple niches. So, my first niche was actually with security cameras. My first niche was not teaching people how to make money. It was with security cameras. Okay. I design machines with CAD software. So what I'm going to do, because I don't know anything about it, I'm going to do two things. I'm going to type in computer. I'm not going to type it in there. I'm going to type in computer aided design. Now, depending on what you want to do with this, you could teach people how to get a job. I'm super glad I subscribed to your channel. I think your videos are great because you keep it real, and I want everyone to succeed. I appreciate that. Hey, you're welcome, Sarah. Happy to help you. So depending on where you want to go with this, you could do something like computer, and I got to spell these words right, computer aided design interview questions. Computer aided design interview questions. Now look at this, 89,000 views, 17,000 subscribers, 5.3 thousand views, 91,000 subscribers, 25 views, 2,000 subscribers. So now a lot of people are asking about CAD, but these thumbnails aren't very good either. But what I want to do is I'm going to type in how space, how to pass computer aided design and manufacturing. This video has 30,000 views. What is computer aided design? So what I'm looking for is I'm looking for channels that are already talking about computer aided design so I can figure out the questions that people actually want to know. I can do the same thing with Ahrefs. I can go here and type in computer aided design. Hit enter. And let's see, computer aided design, only 3,000. Looks like there's about 14,000 searches per month. What are some things? Actually, let's do this. Computer aided design. Computer aided design. Glossary. So I'm looking up CAD terms. CAD terms. Now, the reason why I'm looking this up is because I know nothing about CAD. But people inside of CAD know these terms. They know about associative dimension. They might know about bitmap and some of these other things. CNC machinist. We have a lot of those around here. A draftsperson. So they might be, someone might search how to become a draftsman. Now look at this. What being a CAD drafter is like. Look at this video. Drafter career video, 66,000 views. 18,000 views. CAD technician day in the life, 155 subscribers. 46,000 views, a day in the life of a drafter. 11,000 views, what does an architectural draftsman do? Now, what I want to do is think about what are the tools used in excuse me, CAD. Do you do AutoCAD, Bruce Wayne? And what's some of the software? What's the software used? Software for CAD, AutoCAD. Now, what you could do is teach people how to use AutoCAD. So we come back over here. I'll say like how to underscore auto CAD. Say AutoCAD. And then we can go through each letter of the alphabet. How to export high quality image from AutoCAD. How to quickly draw. And so if we just do like how to export high quality image, 6,000 views, 689 subscribers, 91,000 views, 88,000 views, 4,000 subscribers. And so what you can do is you can become an expert in helping people navigate this software, or I guess any of the software that you're using. Does that make sense? Now, because I don't know a lot about this industry, I personally was thinking CAD and AutoCAD. These guys wearing like gloves, and I don't know. I thought they were out in a factory working, but apparently I don't know what these guys do. They might. What do you guys sit behind a computer all day? Maybe. Is there a type of computer that they have to have? Is there a certain level of computer? Is there like custom exports that you can create? Maybe you create and sell customized stuff. For example, you can create and sell like Lightroom presets. You can create and sell custom themes. AutoCAD and SolidWorks are the design software I use. SolidWorks is used for 3D modeling software. So again, we could do SolidWorks. SolidWorks tutorials. These guys have 300,000 subscribers just talking about SolidWorks. Not in the make money online space. 69 views, 1.1 thousand views. They probably could improve their thumbnails, and they could create stuff that's more keyword friendly, keyword search friendly. So again, what I would do is I would come up here and type in how to underscore, and now I'm going to go through each letter of the alphabet again. How to increase image quality in SolidWorks. 10,000 views, 1.5 thousand views, 16,000 views. I sometimes watch those videos if I'm stuck on something. So now that once you learn how to do something, you turn around and create another video, create a video on it. That's what I wound up doing with, it was under sales. Actually, that's not right. It was under sales funnels made easy. So this is one of my channels. I haven't uploaded to it in a while. If I look at my most viewed video, now this channel has 1.5 thousand subscribers. If you click on these, I'm not showing my face, but you can hear my voice. Pretty distinguished. A bunch of these videos, 6,000 views, 6,000 views, 4,000 views, 4,000 views, simply teaching what I've learned, where to put Facebook Pixel and ClickFunnels. So I know what I'm telling you is right because I do it. I've done it. Complete ClickFunnels course. Hey, I'm actually there in that one. How to embed video on ClickFunnels, 4.2 thousand views. How to add GoDaddy domain to ClickFunnels, 4,000 views. So when I'm telling you that you can create content about actual software and tools, it's because I've done it. And as long as it's consistent, it can work for you. What type of revenue have you made from that channel? I don't remember. It's not monetized anymore because I haven't uploaded in a while. Like I haven't uploaded in over a year. And these videos were and the thing is with these videos, my goal was affiliate marketing. It wasn't to I don't care about the YouTube partner program. It's what I call icing on the cake. But with this, it was affiliate marketing. I think I was giving away a free course too. But this is a high CPM niche because there's a lot of people, like if you watch any one of these videos, you'll get a bunch of ads about ClickFunnels. Excuse me. You'll get ads about Go High Level, Get Response, and all of that. And so, yeah, it's a high CPM niche. I just don't remember what it was. And this link doesn't work anymore. So, yeah. Anyway, what was I saying? I'm going to go back to school to pursue nuclear medicine technology. That's interesting. That seems pretty intense. But teach what you learn. Create content about what you're learning. Create content about the courses. Because there's going to be somebody behind you that wants to get into it, but they're concerned or nervous or afraid of what's going to be covered. Anyway, so what have we talked about? Your hobbies, your family's hobbies, your skills, things that are happening right in the industry, hobbies, what you like, what you don't like. I also like listening to what people are saying around you. Like when you go to the gym, turn down the music just a little bit so you can hear what conversations people are having. And then you could potentially work backwards or reverse engineer and figure out different ways to monetize. Look at your favorite YouTube channels. Look at your favorite TikTok accounts. Those will all help you figure out different niches to get into. But ultimately what I recommend is do not spend a bunch of time trying to find the perfect niche. Okay? Spend 10 minutes finding a niche because there's no perfect niche out there. Spend 10 minutes finding your niche and then move on to the next thing. Because if you spend a bunch of time trying to find the perfect niche, you're going to spend months because there's no such thing as a perfect niche. Every niche is quote unquote competitive. Every niche is quote unquote saturated. So don't waste your time trying to find the perfect one. Pick one that you like and move forward. And that next forward would be deciding on your platform or traffic source. Because what you decide will determine how you create content. Do you guys have any questions for me? Questions, comments, concerns, good evening. It looks like questions, comments, concerns, deep thoughts. Anybody? Anybody at all? Normally I like to go for about an hour, but we might wrap this one up just a little bit earlier, which is fine, which is all good, as they say. So yeah, thanks for the follows. Everyone that's followed, I appreciate it. Let's see here. All right, so it doesn't look like I have any more questions. I think I'm going to wrap this up about 20 minutes early. I do appreciate your help. I got to head up. All right, take it easy, Dark. Yeah, well, in this 20 minutes early, I do intend to go live daily to answer questions and help build businesses. I just wanted to make sure that we talked about picking a niche because that came up last time. Thanks for taking time to do the live stream. Very informative. You're welcome. All right, guys, you guys have a great night, and we will see you